Filipino time, okay, pressure. As Noreen Alfonso in the series, will you reinforce or challenge this idea of perfection?
Una po sa lahat, pwede pong pabawas. Hindi mo ko makanta.
Parang yung hininga ko pala,
Ayan. Una po sa lahat, gusto ko po munang batiin ang lahat po ng nandito ngayon. Good afternoon po. I'm so happy and thankful that you are all here. Thank you all so much for making this day more memorable and more special. To answer your question, Alina Chan, perfection? Yes, perfection to execute my plan.
Ay! Ganon.
Ganon.
So, that's the strategy, yung perfection. Gusto ko yun, ha? Hindi namin na-expect yung sagot na yun. Yun na yun?
Yun na yun.
Period. Oo. Kayo na daw mag-interpret. So, that is how Miss Barbie sees perfection. Perfection in executing your ideas, your plans. O, yes. Diba? Okay, at dahil dyan, may follow-up question ka. Ay, hindi ka pa tapos. Akala mo. Akala mo nag-period ka na. Okay. So, you filmed some of the scenes ng Beauty Empire sa South Korea. Can you share with us some of your most favorite experiences filming there?
Ayun. Yung siguro yung second shoot namin doon. Nag-lunch break kami. Tapos meron lang kami 45 minutes para kumain.
Yes,
Siyempre, naghanap ako ng samgyeopsal. Oo, tapos nakalagay sa doon sa app, 10-minute walk.
Okay.
Habang kasama ko si KD, habang naglalakad kami, parang walang kahit na bakanteng lote lang siya talaga. So, may temple area na siya, ganyan.
Nakapag-sightseeing ka na.
Pagdating ko doon, pagdating namin doon sa area, abandoned na siya yan talaga. So, naging horror din talaga yung lunch break na yun. Nice thing yun.
Oo nga, diba?
So, yun yung pinaka-memorable. Alam niyo ba bakit? Kasi doon kami talaga naging close ni Kylie. Mas naging close. At doon ko masasabi, kalan-kalan din talaga itong babaeng to. Kasi kahit hindi siya short, kung may makakainan talaga kami, sumasama siya talaga sa akin. Kaya maraming salamat talaga, Mariko. Ayan, siya po.
Mic on for Kylie. Yes, mic check.
Yun din po yung sa yun na pala yung
copy-paste. So, nakakain ba kayo?
Nakakain ng tinapay. Kasi yung mga sumunod na mga parang pastry shop na lang, kailangan namin umalis. So, yun na nga, brings the answer.
Okay. Grabe din yung 45 minutes for Samgyup, including the travel time.
Meron pa kami. Diyan pa sa baba? Hindi ba?
Oo,
sa baba. Oo. Busok eh. Kapunta doon. Mari, puntahan natin.
Okay,
ay, wala.
Okay, very interesting. Well, at least meron yung core memory together.
Yes.
Ang dami. Parang horror comedy. Yes. Okay. Sige, next naman. This is from Sir Ace Perez of Davao Media. This is for you, Kylie.
Oh my gosh.
So timely again na may mic ka na. Ayan. So na-mention ni Barbie sa isang interview niya na masaya siya na kasama ka niya. Alam mo ba yun? Sabi gano'n. Okay, confirm na masaya naman siya. Ikaw daw, masaya ka ba daw? No, but I guess the context is, kasi you guys are really friends, diba? So ano yung pakiramdam working with a close friend in this series?
Actually, aaminin ko na po.
Ayan. May gano'n?
Pinag-plastic ko lang po. Yun na yung iaano nilang clip.
Oo.
Talaga kay Tita Rose, yan yung
Ayan na yun. Kilala na nila yung sino magaling mag-edit ng ano.
Okay, seryoso na po.
Yes.
Siyempre, isang karangalan na makatrabaho talaga si Barbie. Sinasabi ko nga na...
Okay, sabihin mo sa kanya.
Isang karangalan. Alam mo kaya kailangan yung mga... Ito tayo dalawa. Hindi, isang karangalan talaga. Kasi ever since na pumasok po ako sa GMA, si Barbie talaga yung gusto kong makatrabaho. Kasi napakagaling niya, napakabait niya rin, at grabe mag-alaga, hindi ba sa... Oo, sa set. Sa set. Mag-alaga sa set. May kurot agad siya.
May kurot sa akin.
So ayun, and honestly, every time na nakaka-excel ako siya, even though close na talaga kami off-cam, may onting minig sa, bibig, na parang, shocks, ayan na siya, tinitingnan niya na ako. Hindi mangangain siya. Ang dami.
May ganon.
Oo.
Actually, here, para mas klaro, ito daw what are the advantages and disadvantages of working with such a close friend? May ganon ba?
But disadvantage?
What? Inuna niya yung disadvantages.
Yeah. Actually, siguro yung tao, hindi siya disadvantage.
Ay, galing sumagot.
Walang disadvantage. Doon lang tayo sa mga advantages.
Yeah.
Alam yun na yung isa't isa, pwede mabilis manghingi ng tulong, ramdam niyo yung energy ng isa't isa. Kung may nagukulang man, pupunuan ng isa.
Aww, I love it. Parang kayo may therapy session, ha? Oh,
Yes.
diba? I love
At
that.
oo, may therapy sessions dito.
I'm sure. Ang chikahan sa
Pag walang-
antayan ng taping, no?
Hindi, pag walang signal, usually kasi sa set namin, wala talagang signal. So, open forum kami every single
Open forum. Parang may live podcast session. I love that. Oh, I love that for you guys. Yung pinaka-disadvantage niya, yung hinataka niya sa samgyup na wala.
Actually, hindi yun disadvantage.
Hindi, masaya pa rin.
Masaya.
Oh, I love that. Ang galing talaga. Oh, guys. Iba ka talaga. Okay, ito naman. One more question for you, Carlene. Sa serye, ang karakter ni Rufa, hello Rufi, ang iyong mentor. So for sure, marami ka rin natutunan sa kanya while doing Beauty Empire. So, what are some of these things na you've learned from Miss Rufa that that really stood out for you as an artist?
As an artist or as a person? As an artist?
Everything. Lahat na.
Actually, mag-apply din naman siya sa, professionally and personally. Always choose yourself. Yun yung lagi sinasabi sa akin.
Always
Hindi lang
choose.
sa akin, pero sa amin dalawa ni Barbie, ni Miss Rufa. Nadadamay ako dito.
So be selective, parang gano'n. Yes.
Oh no, always choose yourself.
Yourself.
Yes, always choose yourself.
Always
Ikaw
choose.
muna bago yung ibang tao.
Oh, I love that. Prioritize yourself. Self-love is the
Yes.
most beautiful thing.
Every time you get lost, hanapin mo yung sarili.
Oh, I love that. Sarap naman maging mentor ni Miss Rufa.
Kasi si Miss Rufa, lagi siya pumapasok talaga sa tent namin ni Barbie.
Aww.
Magugulat ako na, Miss Rufa.
So cute. I love that. Of course, and speaking of which, the next few questions are for you, Ms. Rufa Gutierrez. This is from Sir Eugene Assis of People's Journal. So he asks, after 21 years, you are returning to do a project with the GMA, Pure Beauty Empire. How does it feel na muli ka nang nagbabalik sa Kapuso Network?
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat, and I'm so happy to be back here in GMA after actually 21 or 22 years. Hello, Miss Annette, sa lahat ng mga bosses, hi. Well, I think I've come full circle because I started my career with GMA, so that's entertainment. I was only 14 years old.
Oh my gosh!
Yes, and now I'm not saying how old I am. Pero 21 or 22 years later, I'm back here for Beauty Empire. So it's such an honor that Miss Annette, GMA, and of course the News and Public Affairs got me to be a leading lady in this project. And of course, Creation and View as well. Maraming salamat. It's such a joy to work with everyone on the set.
Oh, I love that. Siyempre, iba talaga. Pag andyan ang presence ni Ms. Rufa, di ba? Di ba? Kahit may ring light patay na siya na may ring light, ang ganda pa rin. Walang pores. Okay, so we have another question, follow-up question. So, for you, the beauty industry can often be perceived as glamorous and superficial. As a beauty queen yourself, and now that you're doing Beauty Empire, do you have any interesting insights to share about in the beauty industry?
Well, I think more and more people are aware of taking care of themselves, their skin, and just beauty in general. Because of social media, lahat tayo gusto magpaganda.
Yes.
Pero hindi lang sa panlabas na anyo, dapat panloob din. Diba? Para sa akin yun ang pinakamaganda, na beauty is power and beauty is whatever you want it to be. So it really depends on you. For me, I think it's really important that we give out kindness, generosity, and just be our authentic true self.
Oh, I love that. Coming from one of the kindest people here in the industry, di ba? Diba? Thank you so much for those answers, Rufa. And now we're moving on to another question. This time naman, galing kay Miss Eka Abaya of GMA International. This time, para naman kay Direk. Yes, ipasa ang mikropono. Okay, so Direk, ito ang question for you. Yes, pero baka natin si Direk. So Direk, paano ninyo na-balance yung storytelling ng Beauty Empire para magustuhan ng both online viewers and also yung TV audiences natin sa GMA?
Good afternoon sa lahat. Ang hirap ng question.
Diba?
Pang beauty contestant, I guess napaka-universal nung kwento para sa akin. Para mabalanse both view and GMA viewers, I think yung puso.
Yes.
Lagi naman na lahat tayo ay babalik at babalik sa pamilya natin. So yun yung lagi kong ginagawa sa mga support. Laging pamilya, pangarap, pag-ibig. So I guess viewers ng View or viewers ng GMA, both makaka-relate basta puso ang pailalim.
Tama. I love that. Thank you very much. Parang hindi naman nahirapan. May answer agad. And we can't wait to see more of your storytelling and vision come to life in the next few episodes. Okay, next naman, this is from Miss Hannah Mallorca of Inquirer.net para sa ating K-pop star. Hello! Annyeonghaseyo! Parang si Miss Garlic lang. Hankap sumira! Pero nakakaintindi naman siya ng konting, or not so much, more English, right? Okay, so of course, this is your question, Choi Bo Min. So this is your very first ever Filipino-produced project. Congratulations. So how do you feel about being given this wonderful opportunity by GMA and View?
The first I thought when I heard this project, it's very good experience to me, and it's very meaningful because I'm an actor right now. So I heard that the actors and actresses, I'm very impressed, and I hope to some realize it here. So it's very meaningful project to the first time filming in the Philippines. So I'm very thankful right now. Thank you so much.
And how was the experience like working with Filipino artists and our crew members also, the entire team basically? How was the experience like working with all of them?
I felt that all my direct, all Lord's actor and actress, all they're so kind because I can speak in English very well and also Tagalog too. And when I'm shooting with them, they also translate Tagalog in English to me. So it's very kind to me. And also the people, everyone is energetic, so it's very impressed, I think.
Okay, I love it. Okay, thank you very much.
So much, thank
Do
you.
you remember any Tagalog word or? Ayun na, malaman mo na Sam. Do you remember?
Mahal ko tayo.
Mahal ko kayo. I love that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And I hope you continue enjoying your stay here, and we look forward to seeing more from you here in the Philippines. Thank you very
Thank you so
much.
much.
Kamsahamnida. Okay, we can once again. We have a few more questions to ask. Ito naman, mula kay Sir Bobby Requintina of Manila Bulletin for Sid Lucero. Ayan, pakipasa to Sid Lucero. So Sid, hi! Oh, wow, it's a magic trick. Gano'n matagal na yan dyan sa ilalim ng tita mo. Okay, so Sid, parang warm na warm pa yung mic, no? So, paano mo binigyang buhay ang pagiging isang influential husband sa isang prominent family? Ano ang mga inspirations mo para sa role na ito?
I think my character is kind of different. He likes to get things together but stand behind. And he usually has fronts, and in this case, all of the ladies, the beautiful ladies, are his front for his businesses. And I just anchor on that. The fact that you know those two guys behind Dana White? Dana White's in front, that's them. And the one behind, yeah.
Okay, so that's very interesting to hear your POV on that, diba? Ito naman, meron kang follow-up question. Napakarami mo nang nagawang projects na talaga namang tinangkilik ng viewers. So what makes your character here in Beauty Empire stand out from any other role that you've played before?
Wow, you derailed me. What did you say?
How does it differ from the other roles na you played before? Parang meron bang difference? Para sa'yo, what's the main parang differentiator?
This is the first time I'm playing a character who has, how do I say this without spoiling anything? Like, I'm usually playing someone who's taking orders. And this is the first time I'm calling the shots.
Parang mas alpha.
Or maybe just a higher position. I would
Higher
say
position.
alpha, yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
Yeah.
Looking
It's hard to
forward to
explain complex character.
Panoorin nyo na lang kasi guys. Ito naman Okay, well, we love complex characters, no? Seeing the different layers and how you guys as actors get to execute that in your craft. So, thank you very much. Sige guys, a big hand for Sid over here. And you may now pass the mic to Chai. Okay, so this question is from Sir Richard Paglikawan of Lionheart TV. So Chai, as an executive assistant in the series, as an EA, o diba? What advice would you give to someone whose boss isn't exactly the easiest person to work for? Parang,
Let's say
Oh, diba?
1,000 words, font size 12, Arial, 2 pages.
Hindi ko mag-himim to eh. Let's be
What
careful.
advice do I have?
Yes.
I am hardly in the position to give executive assistant advice, being that I've never been one. So,
Except for the
on
series.
screen, I can only imagine the amount of work that real life EAs do to handle their bosses, especially the temperamental bosses and all of like the calm down, all of the things that they have to do for these people and always staying on top of things. The advice? I have no wellspring of advice today. Bistro.
Kapit, prayers.
Yeah.
And
Alay ka ng
know
itlog. Alay ng itlog dun sa yan.
I guess no, it's about weighing lang kung worth it pa ba, di ba? Or pray over na lang ba to? So, kapit, that is the answer. Kaya
They
nyo
have
yan.
more advice for me. The real life EAs have more advice for me than I have for them.
Well, your character here in the series, she's very pasensyosa ba? Talagang, would you say she's like the dream EA?
Essay, 1,000 words.
Complex character din siya. You know?
It's kind of, the interesting thing about this show is that when people ask us about our characters, we have a kind of a difficult time answering because how do we say this without spoilers?
Yes.
That kind of thing. So just watch it.
Yes, I
We're
love
on video
that.
right now.
Thank you so much, Chai. Thank you for that. We can't wait to learn more about your character sa Beauty Empire. And ngayon naman, ipasa ang mic kay Sam Concepcion. Okay, so Sam, this one is from Miss Iza Iglesias of the Manila Times. Tell us more about your character, si Migoy. Without spoiling anything. If you can, mamahalin ba siya or kaiinisan ng viewers?
Wow, interesting. First, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming. Really happy to see you all. Very happy to be here. Si Migoy, nakita niyo yung intro niya kanina. Isa siyang police, right? So, meron siyang, he has very strong motivations for justice and to protect the people that he loves. Siya yung type na kababata mo, since childhood. In this case, matagal ng kaibigan ni Noreen na syempre secretly in love with her also. Medyo torpe, hindi niya kaya i-reveal sa kanya. So, yun, merong killing factor happening there. But ultimately, I think, from my perspective, I think he's a very charming character na always looking out for Noreen and always looking to ground her. Diba? Mataas yung aspirations ni Noreen, and I think he's always there to ground her, to remind her where she comes from and why she does this for the people that she loves. So,
oh, I love that. Wow. I think just by answering that, alam naman natin, parang may, ano naman siya. Parang feeling ko mamahalin naman natin to, character na to. Ah?
sana naman.
Yes, sana naman. Okay. So, eto, may follow-up question from Ms. Iza also. So, nasayan na ng fans mo ang growth mo sa industry, diba? From joining theater, diba? O, diba? Theater.
High School Musical kami, Janina.
Yes, dyan tayo nagkakilala, guys. O, mamaya ikaw yung finale, ano Okay, to acting for films and TV. So, talaga namang napakarami mo nang na-experience, diba? For all forms of entertainment, na-explore mo na. So, what makes you most excited to be working with this, of course, wonderful team for Beauty Empire?
Yeah, I'm super thrilled, super duper thrilled to be here. It's a new environment, new place. Matagal din ako hindi nag-serye. Somehow in the past few years, of course, the pandemic happened. Went back to music and then bit of theater, music again. So I'm very, very glad to be here. And of course, just being alongside these just great, beautiful, just giving, generous actors that we have here on stage. There couldn't be a better project that I would be happy to be part of.
Yes. Oh, so perfect for you. I love that. Thank you so much, Sam. We look forward to falling in love with Migoy dito sa series. Okay, and up next naman, this is from content creator Mr. Neil Serrano. Ang question niya is for Alex Agustin, Polo Laurel, Aaron Maniego, and Divine Osina. Answer as a group. Team effort mo. Okay, no, isa-isa. Kung sino na lang gustong sumagot muna, okay? So para sa inyo, what surprising things can we expect from you in your role dito sa Beauty Empire? And para sa'yo, what is the biggest lesson you've learned while doing this series? Okay, sino sasagot muna? Who's first? Between Alex, Polo, Aaron, and Divine. O, ikaw na, hawak mo na. Let's go, Aaron.
Hi po, good afternoon. Ako po si Aaron Maniego, and I will be playing the role of Sylvester in Beauty Empire. So Sylvester is the executive assistant of Miss Shari Kailin. And ang maaasahan niyo po sa kanya is that he is the reliable one and meron siyang pagka-cunning din. So may mga iba't ibang sekreto din dyan na marireveal din kapag papanoorin po ninyo ang Beauty Empire. And I just want to say na sobrang blessing po to sa akin kasi if you guys know, content creator po ako, and this is my first time in mainstream TV as an actor.
Oh, I love that.
Pero even before all of that, pangarap ko talaga ito nung bato.
Oo. With that personality, parang perfect. Okay, so dito ka na.
Yeah. Kaya sobrang nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa GMA View and Creation, and especially for sila Direk and my co-actors kasi sobrang bait nila sa akin kasi newbie actor lang ako and I'm learning the ropes every day and they're all there to guide me and to help me. Wow. Kaya without them, as in wala talaga.
Oh, I love that. Congratulations! First of many. We look forward to more from you, Aaron. Thank you so much. And sino na next? Hi! Ayan, okay.
Hello po, ako po si Divine Osina. I will be playing the friend of Barbie. I'm playing the character Jana. Ang unang tanong ay
yung ma-expect namin.
Expectation. Expectation check.
Surprise. Now we can expect mula sa character mo.
Ang character ko po ay manggagaling sa community. So, kami yung stark contrast ng buhay na papasukan ni Barbie at yung pinanggalingan niya. And I'm excited na mabigyan nyo ng mukha yung side ng inyo, yung why are you working sa inyong buhay? Who are you fighting for? I'm excited na ma-imagine nyo yung mga mukha ng mahal nyo sa buhay sa aming mga character. Na sana kami din, sana we may represent the whys in your life. So, I'm excited for that and ikaw na.
Ayun na yun. Thank you so much. Divine, ano yung questions? Ayun, so again, from your character, character, ano yung pinaka-surprising thing na pwede namin ma-expect mula sa character mo without revealing too much?
Hi, good afternoon po. I'm Alex Agustin and I play the role of Martica bilang maarte ako at kaibigan ko si Shari, mag-best friend kami. Ang may expect nyo lang po sa akin ay may inis kayo at maaaktihan kayo lahat. Ayun.
Martica talaga.
Yes. And sorry, yung second question?
Is, ano yung pinaka-biggest lesson na natutunan mo while shooting for this film?
I think be open to change. Yes, kasi lagi akong sanay na drama yung ginagawa ko. And then, ito pala yung pangalawang beses na nabigyan ako ng role na ganito. And up until today, meron pa rin ako mga adjustments na kailangan gawin. So yeah, be open to change. Kasi iba't iba ang, araw-araw, iba't iba ang dumarating sa buhay.
True. That's how you grow, di ba? Being open to change. Okay, up next.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello guys, good afternoon. Thank you for coming. My name is Paulo Laurel and I play the role of Gino, maskuladong tambay na best friend ni Migoy. So, yeah. What's the second question, sorry?
The lesson you learned.
The lesson, yeah. The lesson I learned is just show up, you know, show up for yourself, show up for the people you work with. Kasi nung first few days, actually, I was a little bit overwhelmed because I'm working with such big stars and na-realize ko, you know, I just have to show up for myself, show up for everyone, and yeah, that's it.
Overwhelming daw kayo, charot. Hindi. Siyempre naman, no? These cast members talagang selected. So everybody here really, you deserve this more than anything. So congratulations and enjoy the ride, diba? Okay, so ito na, almost done with our questions. This time naman, from Miss Dina Vasquez of Business Mirror, para kay Miss Isay Alvarez, para na rin kay Gabby Padilla, Noemi Gonzalez, and Paolo O'Hara, pati na rin kay Arkel Mendoza. So can you talk about your role in Beauty Empire? Tell us more about your roles. Go ahead. Andiyan na po ba yung mics? Whoever wants to start first po.
Hi, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. I play the role of Eva, ang nanay ni Noreen at ni Helena. Very interesting yung character ko. I've done so many nanay roles, but I would say na very challenging itong particular role that I have right now. Kasi manood po kayo ng video. Thank you po.
I love that cliffhanger. Okay, up next, whoever wants to answer next po.
Ako po si Paolo. I'm playing Gardo, father ni Sam. Siya yung tipo ng tatay na makakakuntsaba mo sa lahat ng kalokohan, sa lahat ng kung ano-ano pa.
I love that. Okay. Short and sweet. Okay, next up.
Hi po, good afternoon. I'm Gabby Padilla and I play the role of Helena, who is the sister of Noreen. And basically the role that I play here is through our relationship as sisters, you get to know Noreen and her motivations and her dreams in life and yung pinanggagalingan niya and how big her heart is. At the end of the day, she is coming from a place of love, and although she is in pain, it really comes from a place of love for her sister and her dreams. So,
I love that. Thank you very much.
Hello po, ako po si Naomi Gonzalez, and I'm so happy to be here. Thank you po. I'll be playing the role of Charing. Charing! Hindi po, Charing po. Ako po ay nanay ni Migoy at asawa ni Gardo. So, basically, support giver po. Team Noreen po kami all the way. So kami po yung pamilya, without spoiling anything pala, kami po yung pamilya na susuporta at tutulong sa mga at magpapasaya sa buhay ni Noreen. Kaya manood po kayo.
I love that. Thank you so much. So I guess that wraps up our Q&A for today. Ang dami nating natutunan. Guys, a big hand for our stellar